everybody, and welcome to my channel. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm actually going to be making cash envelopes. So I have gotten requests for this video. It's just taking some time. So what you're gonna need is some scrap paper and a ruler, a marker, a pen, a pencil, anything to mark out the lines. I am using the Scotch thermal lamination pouches. You can use tape, you can use other brand like Staples pouches, and also I'm using this Recollection paper cutter. And then I'm also using the Scotch laminator. Okay, so let's get started. First off, if you would like, you could grab a dollar bill. Any sort of dollar bill, they're all the same dimensions. And just measure it out. So it's about 6 inches long, give or take. I like to cut my paper into 7 so I could give it room. And also, let's see, short, it's about 2.5, so I will go 3.5. So I want to do I'm gonna do the lemons. So get rid of this. So I go 7. Long. And 3.5 short. 7 long. Three and a half short. Oops, I already messed up. Okay, so if you have 3.5 short, then you double it to 7. So you go 7. This will be the crease line. You can put that with your scrap paper. So like this one, I already have it cut out. All I do is fold them. This is cardstock, so it's a little bit easier to work with. This is scrapping book paper, so it's a little bit thinner. But if you'd like it to be thicker, you can double laminate it with 2 pouches, one at a time, but it will get thicker and it won't feel any different. So I'm gonna go ahead and folded that. So let's open this up. I don't really like to waste the laminate, so I do use it like all around. Oh my gosh, where is this open? So I like to put one at the very end. And I will put it with the fold down. And then these ones are already pre-cut, so I'm actually gonna put these, the fold is outwards. Same thing for this side. That fold is pointing out, and this fold is pointing out, and that fold is pointing out. If you don't mind wasting the laminate, you can go ahead and just put one in, or put two this way and this way, but I like to use the whole thing, so I will do this. And then you just fold this out. Mine always gets stuck, so. Okay, and I hold mine because these will slip out. So let me actually have it good to size. I preheated my laminator for this video, but it will take a couple minutes to heat up. And if you're using it for the first time, or even like the second time, you will smell like a hot glue smell. Don't worry, it's just the laminator heating up. And this is made out of plastic, so you're gonna have that plastic glue smell, which is fine. So as you can see, here it comes. And I love this paper. It's like so beautiful. This is my When Life Gives You Lemons Make Lemonade paper. And what I like to do, because I don't know, I've only had this machine, so I'm not sure if all the machines are like that, but the sides, I want, you know, I want it glued down a lot. So what I would do is I just go ahead and put that back in. And I don't use scissors on these because I don't cut very straight, so I like to depend on my Recollections paper cutter. I just wait for it to come out. And what I like to do is cut at the openings. So once you cut at the openings, it's very easy to be using this. So like this one, I just line it up to the line in there, and there I go, I got that opening. And then I will make the sides. So I do leave a little ways for the sides. The bottom is pretty much set because I use the bottom of the paper, of the laminating pouch, so it saves me that extra step. And now I have my envelope. Like I said, if you don't like it kind of flimsy, as for this one, it's kind of hard. So I'll go ahead and cut these just to show you the difference. So I like to line it up, cut it open, and then trim the sides. So trim the sides to your liking. You could also take some scissors and round this part because it does get kind of sharp. So just trim as much as you like. So this one, it's hard. This one, it's soft. Compare. So if you want it like the cardstock, just double pouch it. So you're gonna put this whole thing in a pouch and then cut along the lines that you already did, and it'll make it pretty thick. And also, what I like to do is, I got these from Michael's. It comes with 30 little stickers, labels. So let me get my pen. This will actually become my savings envelope. So I will just write savings. Savings. Wait for that to dry. And there you go. You can make your own. You can even make it where if you want to put it more to the middle, and you could leave, like, say if this was on the other side, you could leave this excess pouch, and you could hole punch it in case you have a recollections binder. You can hole punch it with your happy planner punch and put it in maybe your happy planner. You could, you know, there's like 3 sizes of happy planner punches, so you could use those just so you can, you know, use your happy planner rings. I've seen a lot of people use their rings and hold all their sinking fund envelopes on the rings, and that looks really nice. It looks, you know, like if you bought it somewhere, but you can make it yourself. So I'm not saying you guys need this. If you cut pretty straight with your scissors will be fine. They'll probably do, you know, whatever kind of job you do. If you want it round, you could do a round one. If you want it to, you know, look a different way, just do you. If you have scissors, use your scissors. If you have this paper cutter, or even a paper cutter that chops down, use that one, and use whatever paper you like. I just recommend making them yourself. I know there's a lot of cute ones out there, and I always support, you know, other SD business owners. So if you don't have all this and you just think, you know, I'm not gonna buy this for just 10 or even 8 envelopes, then go ahead and purchase. I'll leave my link down below, but you know, search on SD. There's always a lot of them. So thank you for stopping by and watching my video. If you made it to this point, I want to thank you so much. Subscribe if you haven't, and just, you know, like this video. Thank you so much. Bye.